Managing purchase orders can be a cumbersome task for many businesses. Without a streamlined process, it's easy to lose track of orders, encounter delays, and face inaccuracies in supply chain management. Let's get started. To create a new purchase order, select Purchase Order from the Plus option. Start by entering the supplier's name and the date. Optional fields include the delivery date and a reference. You can choose currency and tax inclusion and exclusion. If you've set up products and services, select the item you're ordering from the list. Alternatively, you can directly enter the goods or services you require in the description field. If the purchase order needs further editing, click Save. If it's complete and you have the necessary permissions, click Approve. Once approved, the purchase order is ready to be sent. Xero automatically uses the default email template from the email settings, which you can customize for this specific instance or permanently alter in the settings. You're now ready to efficiently create and send purchase orders to your suppliers using Xero. And there you have it. With SaasAnt transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.